Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. I got a super quick, fast video for you. We got Riot stock sitting in a wedge, in a bullish wedge. So for those of you who don't know, the bullish falling wedge just means the stock price continues to go down over the long term. Eventually, this pattern gets tighter and tighter, and it gets to the point where it inevitably breaks out higher because the selling pressure is finished, and because there's so little selling pressure, all the buyers overwhelm them, and we just pump. We just break out and go higher. Kind of like here, right? We just broke out and went higher. So that's essentially what's happening here. Very obvious pattern that you can see on the monthly time frame, but you got to be patient with it. Let it play out. It's a monthly time frame, so it's going to be a while. It's not going to happen tomorrow, but the pattern is there. You got to be patient, though. If you don't got the patience, this is, I don't know what you're smoking. The market has been and always will reward patience and discipline, because that's how a lot of people I know in my Discord who made a lot of money, who made 10x, 20x, they made that 10, 20x because they bought and held. They weren't up 80% or 40% and went, oh, I guess good enough, I'm scared, or I'm just not gonna. No. They held because they believed. And that's apparently very difficult for people to do, let alone follow a game plan. So if I were to buy this, which I'm not, I'm going to buy Mara stock, which is pretty much the same thing because they both move together. The play here is to buy accumulated under the purple line on the daily, which it's right at it. And so it's a buy still, technically, and then hold it. Accumulate. If it goes under the purple line, cool, you're getting an even bigger discount. And just start accumulating. Eventually it has that big run back to 12, 15 plus, and you take your profit. So I would look to take about 50%. That's the game plan, and I would stick to it. I wouldn't be, if this goes, when this goes to 15, I'm not going to sit there and go, oh, I'm up 50%. I kind of don't want to sell because I want more. Like, no, you stick to the game plan. I just learned recently from doing some analysis on color stock. There's a lot of people who bought color stock. They were up 1,000% and they didn't take profit, and they're holding it all the way back down to their average, which is absolute silliness. Have a game plan and stick to it. Yeah, but also don't sell yourself short and sell too soon. Got to have a balance. Like, have that game plan. I'm shooting for 50%. Even if it's only 45%, you hold for that extra 5% because you know it's going to come back up there because you've been there before. You know the pattern. You see it on the charts. You see the bullish falling wedge on that higher time frame.